Welcome back student in my YouTube channel Account X-Ray. I am Santosh Misra and today I am going to solve question number 6 of the chapter General. Student, in question number 6, pass journal entries for the following transaction. 2005 January 6, then first we will record 2005 January 6. Sold good to Muskan of the list price of 2 lakh at 20% trade discount. Muskan is the receiver and Muskan is also a debtor. That's why we debit the Muskan. And to sales account. Sales is the revenue for the business and credit all the revenue. It is nominal account. Then being goods sold to Muskan at 20% trade discount. The list price of goods was 2 lakh and 20% of 2 lakh is 40,000. Then after deducting trade discount 40,000, the amount of sales is 1,60,000 and Muskan account debit to sales account 1,60,000. Okay. In next transaction, January 8, Muskan returned goods of the list price of 5,000. Sales return account debit to Muskan. This is the sales return is also term as also called return inward. Sales return account debit to Muskan. Muskan returns the goods and she is giver. That's why we are crediting Muskan. And the amount, the list price of the return goods was 5,000 and less 20% of 5,000, 1,000, because goods is sold at 20% trade discount. Then when Muskan returns the goods, it also after deducting trade discount. Then 5,000 minus 20% of 5,000, 1,000 is equal to 4,000. 4,000 in debit and 4,000 in credit. Okay. In third transaction, which was on January 15, received from Muskan the full payment under a cash discount of 4%. Then we are receiving the cash. Then cash account debit. Cash is the real account and it is also asset. And asset is increasing. That's why we are debiting cash account. Discount allowed. The Muskan is debtor for the business, debtor of the business for 1,60,000, and after returning the goods of 4,000, Muskan was debtor for 1,56,000. And when we provide cash discount to Muskan, she will give 1,49,760 because 4% is calculated on the 1,56,000 after returning the goods. 1,56,000 in 4 by 100 and it is 6,240. The amount of discount is 6,240. 1,49,760, 1,56,000. Okay. Being cash received in full settlement from Muskan and discount allowed at the rate of 4%. Now in question number 7, journal entry in the following transaction in the books of Rajaram. Journal entries in the books of Rajaram. Bought goods for cash of list price of 80,000 at 10% trade discount and 2.5% cash discount. Then purchase account debit to cash to discount receipt. The list price of goods was 1 lakh was 80,000, and after deducting trade discount, the amount of purchase is 72,000. Trade discount is 8,000, and after deducting cash discount, which will calculated on the amount of 72,000 after deducting trade discount, that is 1800, and 70,200 will be paid for the purchase 70,200, and 1800 is the discount receipt. Discount receipt is the revenue for the business, and that's why, and nominal account, it is nominal account, and we are paying cash for the purchase, that's why cash is reducing, and we are crediting the cash account. In next transaction, sold goods for cash of list price of 1 lakh at 15% trade discount and 3% cash discount. Cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to sales account, being goods sold at 15% trade discount and 3% cash discount. This is the working note. 1 lakh as the list price, 50% of 1 lakh, and this is the trade discount, that is 15,000, and the sales was 85,000 minus 3% of 85,000, that is cash discount 2,550. After deducting cash discount, we are receiving only 82,450. 82,450, 2,550, this is the discount allowed by us to the for the sale, and the amount of sale is 85,000. Sold goods to Nagpal of the list price 50,000 at 20% trade discount. Nagpal debit to sales, being goods sold to Nagpal at 20% trade discount. 50,000 minus 20% of 50,000, that is 10,000, and 40,000 is the amount of sale. 40,000, this is the credit transaction because name is mentioned in the question in the transaction. 40,000, 40,000, and in March, on March 8, Nagpal returns one fourth of the above goods. Means 40,000 and one fourth of 40,000 is equal to 10,000. Sales return account debit to Nagpal. Nagpal return goods to the businessman. That's why Nagpal is giver, and we are crediting Nagpal. You can also calculate this amount. 50,000 is the list price of the goods sold to Nagpal, and 1/4 goods was returned by Nagpal. Then 1/4, 12,500, and this is the list price and goods sold to the Nagpal after deducting 20% trade discount. Then when Nagpal returned to returned the goods, he was we are also discounting the trade discount. We are deducting the trade discount, that is 2,500 and 10,000. And on March 8, on March 10, Nagpal settled the accounts by paying cash under a discount of 5%. Then we are receiving the cash account debit, discount allowed debit to Nagpal. 40,000 we sold the goods of 40,000 to the Nagpal. Nagpal returned 10,000 goods worth rupees 10,000, and after deducting 10,000, Nagpal is debtor for only 30,000, and after deducting 5% cash discount, which is calculated on the amount of only 30,000, balance amount 1,500, and we are receiving only 28,500. Then cash account debit, discount allowed 1,500 to Nagpal 30,000. This is all about question number 6 and question number 7. Okay, thank you, student.